Hello traders, good morning. The date is 8th February 2023 and I welcome you to the pre-market analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So, first thing first, that today is an RBI policy meet. Today is an RBI policy meet, and it is RBI will announce their rate hike, or they will hike the rate or not at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. So note down this time. You should not trade today. You should not trade today before, at least before 10:30. So 10 a.m. to 10:30, 10 a.m. to 10:30, the RBI governor speech will be there, the press conference will be there. So what are the rate hikes, also what are the important news about these things, we have to look closely that things also. So before this important event, I think market likely to stay sideways. So do not trade before this event. After 10:30, look for a breakout of that range, and wherever the range breaks, if market stays in a range till 10:30, then look for a breakout of that range, and whenever and let the breakout happen, and after that wait for 5 to 10 minutes at least, that this is a real breakout or a fake breakout. If it is a real breakout, then only enter in the trade, otherwise do not enter in the trade. So these are very very important things. Now let us this is the most important thing, in fact. Do not trade before 10:30 today. Remember this thing. Now let us start with the pre-market analysis. Where are the important levels? What is my view today? Everything I will be discussing in this important video. So again, the condition is same. Like I said earlier, market is staying sideways from, I think, last 7-8 days. Market is staying sideways. Why? Because market is squeezed between 200-day moving average and 20-day moving average. I have told you so many times that market is squeezed between them, and also whenever market is squeezed between 200 and 20-day moving average, what I have told you, which becomes more stronger? Right. The 20-day moving average becomes more stronger. The 20-day becomes more stronger, and eventually what happens? Market comes down, breaks the 200 and goes down. Eventually that happens most of the times, but not always. Remember friends, this all analysis is a probability, not a guarantee. So market is doing exactly like that. You can, if you want to see closely, look at this. Market, what market is doing? Market is making half bearish candles here. Half bearish candles mean it's a retracement. Market will again make a half bearish and half bearish, and here might market make a bullish candle now, a pin bar kind of candle, and again go up, but there is a 20, so again it can go down, and I think that time it will break the 200-day moving average. This is just a plan. Anything can happen in the market. So now let us go to the 5-minute time frame. Also you should mark this level, this 20-day moving average, which will be very important today. Now let us go to the 5-minute time frame and see what are the important levels. So this is the 5-minute time frame of Nifty, and as you can see that the previous day was very volatile. The previous day market went down, suddenly it reversed from nowhere and again it reversed. So market was making a zigzag moves. This is done by the operators to increase the volatility in the market so that the premium prices get high and they eat up all the premiums. Today is Wednesday, tomorrow is expiry. So again there might be some volatile moves to increase the premiums so that they can eat up all the premiums on the expiry. Okay, so volatile moves are expected, and also today you can see that in Nifty the CPR is very narrow, and narrow CPR means it's more likely to be a trending day. It is more likely to be a so I have marked all the important levels in the 5 minute time frame. Now let us look at those important levels. So as you can see, narrow CPR means a trending day, but there are a lot of support and resistance today, like this one, uh, which I have marked with a dotted line. This is a previous day high, and also it is a demand zone. What is a demand zone? Demand zone means market comes here and after that falls very sharp. So sorry, not demand zone. This is a supply zone. So this is called a supply zone. I have seen with my past experiences that demand zone and supply zone are one of the strongest supports and resistance. So this level is will be very important. Also these level which I marked with a rectangle, you can see this level. This level will be very important because these are two small supply zones. So this will be very, this is a bigger supply zone and these are the small supply zones. So this entire range will be very difficult, very complicated. So now also there is this CPR region where the market closed as well. This will be also important because there is a market previous day close, there is a CPR, also 200-day moving average is there. So lot of things are there. So this entire region might be a bunch of cluster of resistances or supports. Also this level below is also a strong uh, this is a strong demand zone. So this will be very important because market came here and suddenly it moved a big move. So this will be very important. Also if you see the previous day, one more important observations I want to make. One second, that will be very important. So as these are the volume candles, look at this, take 1 second. So these are the volume candles. Okay, these are the volume candles, and look closely and see which color has the highest buildings. These are volume buildings. I call them volume buildings. Which color has the highest buildings? So you will see that the red color has the highest buildings. Even in the last hour, the red color was on the higher side. The green candles are not all that stronger than the red candles, which means market is in favor of bears. Okay, so market is still bearish today. So my view is again bearish today. My view is again bearish, but remember today is an event day. This is very important, folks. So you should keep an eye on the RBI policy meet, what the outcome will be. That outcome will be very important. Also when I saw SGX Nifty was trading around 66 point gap up. So 66 point gap up from 17,200 721 will be somewhere around here. Will be somewhere around here. So market will open right at the resistance, and also above that there is R1, and also there above that there is that black line which is 20-day moving average. So there are a lot of resistances. So if market breaks all that resistances, if market comes here and makes these two supply zones, then it make a big green candle, breaks all the supply zones, then I will be interested in going long. Otherwise I will not long. If a small bullish candle is made like here this or like this, not breaking this level, I will not go long. And even if it breaks, I will be little confused if the risk reward is not good, because there is another important level which is 20-day moving average. Rather, I would be looking for a shorting opportunity again today, where if I see a bearish price action, here, then I would be looking for a shorting opportunity and take my profit near this level 1:2. So this will be my plan today. I will be looking for shorting opportunities more rather than long opportunities, but only after 10:30. Now let us go to Bank Nifty and see how Bank Nifty will behave today. So this is the daily time frame chart of Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty is looking more bullish. Remember that Bank Nifty is looking more bullish than Nifty. So these two are now in the separate direction. Nifty is looking bearish, Bank Nifty is looking bullish. Why bullish? Because yesterday Bank Nifty made kind of a pin bar kind of a candle. So this is a positive signal for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty might break the 20-day moving average and go upside. But also it is also squeezed between 220. So it might face resistance and again come down. Anything can happen today or maybe tomorrow. Anything can happen. This is the daily time frame. So whatever I am saying, it might not happen today, but in sometimes it can happen. Now let us go to the 5-minute time frame and see how Bank Nifty will trade. So Bank Nifty, the CPR is kind of on the wider side little. Average to wide, I must see. This looks like average CPR, but yes, wider than Nifty. So there should be big movements. That can be big movements in Nifty rather than Bank Nifty. But remember friends, this is all probability, nothing is guarantee. So now if we look closely, 66, if we multiply by 3, it is almost 200. So I think somewhere around here Bank Nifty might open that resistance level. Bank Nifty might open here. So we will have to see what price action it can make. If it makes a bullish price action, I will go long. If it makes a bearish price action, I will go short. So Bank Nifty, I'm a little bit confused. It may be a bullish day or bearish day, because Bank Nifty previous day made a pin bar. So I am a little confused in Bank Nifty, but Nifty is bearish, looks like bearish. So anything can happen. Bank Nifty may go up and Nifty also can start going up, and Bank Nifty, Nifty going down and taking Bank Nifty down. So anything can happen in market. Also today is the event day, so trade carefully and trade less. And I will be selling options today. I will not be buying option today, because market looks like favor in sellers rather than buyers. So remember that also. If you are an option buyer, then trade in small quantity with a strict risk reward and strict stop loss. Okay, bye bye friends.